So you're a gamer and you're thinking to yourself, how do I make a living playing games full time? I don't want to have a job, but I don't have enough subscribers. I don't have enough followers. I can't go to tournaments. I don't have sponsors. You're thinking all these other things that are blocking you from having your gaming career. Well, I'm here to tell you, you can make a full-time income from home. You can make a full-time living just playing video games. I'm going to show you the method in this video. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to that channel. Let's go. Let's get into the video. I'm going to tell you what's the name of this method that we're going to be learning today. It's called affiliate marketing. All right, affiliate marketing. Keep that in your head because that's what we're going to be learning about today. And remember, if you want to learn more about it, I have a free master class down in the description below. Click on that link and you're going to be watching step by step how affiliate marketing works and how everybody makes money doing affiliate marketing. I mean everybody, all right? I'm a high school dropout. I make money doing it. It's not a big deal, all right? You don't need to be a rocket scientist to figure it all out. You're going to learn how to do it gaming in this video right here. So the first thing you would do is you would sign up to a website like this, like Twitch TV or Mixer or any other streaming service, or even just YouTube. If you want to be a YouTuber, that's fine, but you gotta find a website where you can go and you can record yourself playing these games and you can build up even a small audience. It doesn't have to be a huge audience to make some money doing this. So right now we're watching a friend of mine, Pink Barbie, who's doing this for a living right now. She's making money doing affiliate marketing while she's playing Fortnite, her favorite game. As you can see, she's fall back, she's relaxed, she's just playing the game, and the money's rolling in, and there's nothing that's rocket science about it. Like I said, anybody can do this. So what Pink Barbie does is we came over here to Mixer and we looked at her profile. This is exactly how it would work. Now you use the about me or the description if you're on YouTube or whatever space you have to write. You would use that space to promote other people's proven products, okay? You're not going to be selling your own products. You're promoting other people's products. And when the sale goes through, you will make a commission on the sale of that product. As simple as that. So as you can see here, she's actually advertising the chair that she's sitting in when she's playing the games, her famous pink chair. You can buy it right here. See where it says click here? Right here you can buy it. And when you buy that chair, she gets a commission for that purchase because she introduced you to that wonderful chair. So that's all you'll be doing when you're doing the gaming from home and making money by playing video games, all right? You're going to be promoting other people's products. You don't need a sponsorship. You don't need any contracts or any type of crazy agreements and things like that, or a big, huge following. Almost anybody can do this, and I mean almost anybody because there are some age restrictions here and there depending on what you choose to promote. So you might be asking, where do I get one of these products? Now, one of the places that you can go and get a product, no matter who you are, no matter where you're from, and no matter what you want to sell, you want to be a gamer, you want to make money on the side, then you can come right over here to Amazon. Amazon. Everybody knows what Amazon is. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of Amazon, all right? All the way at the bottom, you're going to see this link. And it says, bam, become an affiliate. As you can see here, they call it the Amazon Associates Program or the Affiliate Program. Anybody can sign up for this, all right? Anybody. You go in here, you put join now for free. It doesn't cost anything. You fill out a short application, and then sometimes they give you a phone call if they're a little suspicious about what you're doing. They'll give you a phone call and ask you what's your intentions, how you intend to promote, how do you intend to push our products, blah, 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 right? So you tell them, hey, I'm a gamer, and I'm going to be playing Fortnite, Apex Legends, a Dota 2, whatever it is, whatever it is you like to play. Okay, so you're going to tell them you're going to be playing that, and you're going to be playing it on Twitch, on Mixer, on Steam, on YouTube, on anything, and you're going to tell them, hey, I want to pitch some of these products to my audience. And that's what you're going to be telling them, all right? Now, once they approve you and they give you your very own special link, you can literally promote anything on the Amazon website. Anything. You are not limited, okay? You can promote underwear for all they care. They don't care what you promote. You're going to make a percentage off each sale, all right? As we scroll down here, I just typed in gaming in the search bar on Amazon, and it gave me everything you can think of. Microphones. If you want to talk about them, I got the Blue Yeti right here. Pick up the Blue Yeti, all right? So if you want to talk about microphones, you want to talk about headphones, you want to talk about different gaming PCs and accessories and mouses, and the chairs, just like Pink Barbie, you could promote your chair, you could promote screens, you can promote T-shirts, you can get anything done and promote anything under the sun. All right, so don't let your mind be limited by how many things you can promote. You can even get your own custom t-shirts, coffee cups, and things like that made in the Amazon merch store, all right, with your own designs, and you could promote that. And yes, anybody can do that too, all right? You don't need any crazy sponsorships. You don't need to be the world's most famous gamer or anything like that. You can do this with a following of 10 people, all right? Anybody can do this. Now, anybody can make some money here and there doing this. But if you want to make a ton of money, if you want to make not only just a full-time income, but start making some really good income doing this, then you're going to have to wear two hats. You're going to have to wear the gamer's hat, and you're going to have to wear the marketer's hat. A great marketer will make money no matter what they're doing. I don't care if you're on the toilet 24/7. You're going to make a lot of money because you're a great marketer, okay? You can go ahead and pitch some of that toilet paper or whatever it is you want to pitch. Anybody can make money doing this, but the more skills you get as a marketer and a gamer, okay, but a marketer, you're going to be great, all right? So what you're going to need is this thing called a sales funnel. Let's talk about how the sales funnel works. So right over here on the far left is the very beginning of the customer journey. This is how people are finding you. They're finding you on Twitch. They're finding you on Mixer. They're finding you on YouTube. Doesn't matter where you're streaming or even if you're just shooting out recordings, whatever it is. People are finding you, okay? So this is you. You're the stick figure, the happy little smiley face, and everybody's seeing you playing the game, right? Everybody's seeing you playing this game. And they're like, hey, I like such and such. Look how he's playing the game or she's playing the game, all right? I'm going to watch them, and they're a really great character, and they're, you know, got all this energy, and I really like what they're saying and what they're doing. Let me watch them play for a little while. So what you're going to be doing when you're pitching stuff is you're not actually pitching the thing. Woo! That's the kicker right there. You're not actually pitching the thing. You're not actually pitching the headphones and the chairs and the accessories. You could, all right? You could, and you could make some money like that, but most people are not hanging out on Twitch and on Mixer and things like that and looking to buy something. That's not really what they're there for. So they have to be slowly but surely convinced just a little bit at a time. So the way that you do that is instead, the link that you leave in the description or the About Me or whatever should be a free giveaway. Now think about this. A free giveaway is so much easier to convince somebody to click on than come here and buy this thing, all right? It's too much of a commitment. So when you do the free giveaway, say, I'm going to give you a free report on some of my favorite tips and tricks on how to beat this game. I'm going to give you a free video training series where I show you all my advanced strategies on how I get past these parts. I'm going to show you a free ebook on all the ways that I grew to become such a great player at this game. It doesn't matter what it is, all right? Start thinking about what your audience would want for free and just print something up. Just create something in a Google Doc form or record yourself talking or really just break things down to your audience, and you know what they want to know, all right? You know if they're watching you, say, play Apex Legends, you can give them the top 5 best spots to snipe from or something in the game, and just write a report and put some pictures on there. You know what I mean? People want to opt in, right? This is the opt-in page. They're going to click, they're going to opt in, they're going to give you their email address, all right? You've seen these all over the internet. Please put your email address here, click here, and we're going to send you the free thing. Now you have their email address. What does this mean? They're now on your email list, which is your client list. Any great business, lawyers, doctors, construction people, everybody has client lists, all right? You need to be able to reach out to these people whenever you want. So this is that marketer's hat that I was talking about. Now that you have your client list, now you're able to communicate with them over and over and over again. But right after that opt-in page, you do have a chance to make a sale right here. It doesn't always work out, but the bridge page is just another chance for them to get to know you and get to know what it is you're promoting. So the bridge page happens right after, as you can see, the opt-in page. So now they gave you the email, and the thing that you offer for free is on the way to their email address. No big deal, right? But now on the bridge page, this is when you really hit it home. Now on the bridge page, this is where you are. Should be a video, okay? I know a lot of people don't like to be on video, but hey, you're a gamer already. You should be on video here, and you should be on video there, all right? People know who you are, and you can be like, hey, it's me. Da 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 da. I know you've probably been watching me on Twitch and you like what I'm doing. You know, thank you for supporting my channel. I'm sending you a free thing on the way. And while I have you here, have I told you that I actually have the headphones that I use when I'm playing Apex Legends or Fortnite? I actually have them right here. And if you click this button, you could get them for a 10% discount right now. That's another thing. Amazon
will let you use discounts, okay? They'll let you use coupons to give to your audience if you get approved as an affiliate for Amazon, all right? Specially made coupons just for you, and a lot of websites do that, all right? Look up Newegg, look up every website that you can think of where you want to be an affiliate and see if they have coupons just for their affiliates. So that's one thing you can do right here on this page. Now that you have them, you have their email, you can say, hey, you know, I have this discount here if you're interested in this thing that really helped me improve my game, these headphones, this chair that really helped me with my back problems, blah, 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 blah. Whatever it may be that you want to pitch, this is your chance right here to pitch that product. And remember, they already know you because they were watching you play the game. They already like you, hopefully, right? Because also you gave them a free thing, so they might be enticed to go ahead and buy this thing that you're pitching right here. But there's no worries. If they don't buy right now, there's no worries, because ultimately you're thinking long term. You're thinking of business, okay? You have that marketer's hat on. You're thinking business. So now you're building up your client list. And like I said, they go on your email database, okay? And now you can send out emails forever and ever till the end of time. I have here email 1, email 2, email 3. And you can start thinking every time that you sit down and start writing a new email, you can start thinking, all right, what can I say to my audience? You can write out like, hey, you know, I'm having a contest. If anybody can beat me at Apex Legends, I'm going to give you more free stuff. And they'll all come out. Word of mouth will start spreading because you can actually push messages out to your audience. You can also keep pitching products. Okay, you can pitch the same product, or you can find another product that you want to pitch to your audience, send out an email and say like, oh, you know, by the way, I have this great special on this really powerful gaming PC. It really helps me get really good at Fortnite, such as, you know what I mean? So this is why the email list is so extremely important, because you're thinking in the long term. Now, I would mix up my message on the email stuff for 80-20. Pitch about 20% of the time, but engage about 80% of the time. Make them really excited to open up your emails and see what you have to say next. It's like, hey, it's Friday, and I got this great contest where, you know, I'm going to see if I can get 5 headshots in this game right here, then I'm going to give away another free training in my you know, next live stream. You can just come up with so many different things. People will tune in and just cheer you on like, damn, I want him to get 5 headshots. Like, I want him to, you know, there's all kinds of fun stuff that you can create for your audience, get them more engaged, get them more to be happy customers that go out and tell other people. This is how you'll build up a following very quickly, by the way. They'll go out and tell other people, you got to follow such and such on Twitch or on Mixer, because their contests are the best, their emails are the best. They really have me engaged. I'm really into their community and what they have to say and what they're doing. They really always offer all this great value, all these free things and all this fun stuff. Then when they like you that much and you start pitching stuff, it's a no-brainer when they want to buy something. They're like, hey, you know what? I'm going to buy this because I trust that such and such is not going to lead me in the wrong direction. They've always given me all this free stuff. They're always so fun and engaging. When they pitch something to me, I'm going to go ahead and buy it because I know that they're recommending me something that I really am going to enjoy. I'm not just going to buy a pair of trash headphones or, you know, a chair that breaks on the first day that I own it. It's going to be something quality because I trust their opinion. That's what you're trying to build up here. You're trying to build up trust. You're trying to build up your audience, and you're trying to engage them. So you have to wear that marketer's hat, and you have to be the gamer, but you have to wear the marketer's hat too. So don't forget that part. So in closing, I want you to go out and I want you to support Pink Barbie on Mixer. Thank her for letting me use her as an example on this video here. So I want you to start your gaming career, your marketing gaming career. Start doing affiliate marketing. If you have more questions about affiliate marketing, you want to learn as much as you possibly can about it, and you're interested in it, click on the link in the description below. It's a free masterclass. What do you have to lose? Are you crazy? I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.